I'm about to give this dust cleaning gel a try. Let's see if it can remove the dust from my car because it's pretty dusty. So here it is. This is the dust cleaning gel. It kind of feels like slime. It's sticky, but it's not sticking to my hands. So you see all that dust that we have there on the dashboard. Let's see how this goes. Whoa, oh my goodness. That's freaking amazing. Let's try this bit over here. I'm just gonna you just sort of rub it around a bit, This may be my new favorite thing to clean the car. It kind of makes it a bit fun. So there it is, the dust cleaning gel. It really does work and it picks up all the dust. It is fantastic. Jump online and grab yours today because you certainly need this in your life and you will not regret this purchase.